a blue cake!
Yay!
Delicious!
The story I'm about to tell happened a while ago.
Blue!
When we went to have some fun out on Zenon's farm. Everything was going well, but then a truck came down the road and
Blue! Look at that cake!
Red!
It's a red cake!
Yay!
Delicious!
this is the farm with little birds and bunnies jumping
Red!
all around. The turkeys gobble, chickens cluck, rooster crows while the sun comes up. The sun comes up. The sun comes up.
Red! Look at that cake!
Yellow!
It's a yellow cake!
Yay!
Delicious!
My drafter is the biggest and the best. He works so hard and that is
Yellow!
why I love him. He seeds everything then gathers in the harvest. He has no schedule and has no target. He takes us all to school and then grandma and her tools to the market to sell milk, cheese, and fresh butter.
Yellow! Look at that cake!
Violet!
It's a violet cake!
Yay!
Delicious!
The cow gives us milk,
Violet!
cream. The cow gives us yogurt and your favorite cheese. In the morning I drink yummy chocolate milk, and I like to eat bread with butter and salt.
Violet! Look at that cake!
Orange!
It's an orange cake!
Yay!
Delicious!
Going on a journey. I'm going on
Orange!
a journey in my noisy car. And it's a game to spend my time like this, driving my noisy car through town. I'm going on a journey, on a journey. I'm going on a journey.
Orange! Look at that cake!
Green!
It's a green cake!
Yay!
Delicious!
At the farm, there is a ranch full of
Green!
animals so very special. The dog goes wolf, wolf, wolf. The chicken caw, caw, caw. The cow goes moo, the duck quack, quack. The frog goes croak, croak, croak. At the farm, there is a ranch.
Green! Look at that cake!
Pink!
It's a pink cake!
Yay!
Delicious!
Bartolito was a rooster on a quiet little farm. When the sun came up, Bartolito crowed like this. No, Bartolito, that's a cow. Bartolito was a rooster on a quiet little farm. When the sun came up,
Pink! Look at that cake!
Brown!
It's a brown cake!
Yay!
Delicious!
quack, 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 me, 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 me. Quack, 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 me, me, me,
Brown!
me, me. Quack, 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 me, 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 me. Quack, 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 me, 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 me. Then a very curious chicken
Piggy, Miss Piggy went out for a walk.
The duck came by and started to sing.
Black!
Look at that cake!
White!
It's a white cake!
Yay!
Delicious!
Where is the chicken pataraza? Pataraza, pataraza. Where is the chicken
White.
pataraza? Pataraza's not here. Is she in the hen house? She's not. Behind the lemon tree? She's not. Laying an egg? No, no. She's not, she's not, she's not.